Hey guys, how are you? My name is Veronica Anderson with Wreath by Veronica. I am the owner and creator of Wreath by Veronica. Not only do I sell the wreaths that I create, but I teach others like you to create your own masterpiece. And in this video today, I wanted to go live to show you guys my fall decor for my home. So as you come in, please say hello and let me know where you're viewing me from. That way I know that you are here. So let me turn the camera around so you can see some of the goodies. Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys, my name is Veronica Anderson. I'm the owner and creator of Wreath by Veronica, and in this video today I just want to show you guys some of my fall decor. I did stated that I was gonna go live to show you my fall decor in here. Hello, let me know where you guys watching me from. Hello, Tamara Daniels. Hello, everyone. Hello, Denise. Hello, hello. Let me know where you're viewing me from. I'm from Houston, Texas. So I'm going to start off with my table setting. So I don't know, I love decorating, guys. Not only do I love designing wreaths, but I love to decorate my home as well. So right now I'm in the dining room, but as you walk into my home, you will see this wreath. I have this wreath here with a bow on it, and so I'm loving that greenery and that bow there. And then I have, that's the mirror there, and then right here I have a plate that says give thanks with a grateful heart. I'm loving how that look. So this part that I'm showing you guys, I showed my masterclass members how to decorate for fall table settings. So that's what I also do into my group. I do tablescapes as well to show them how they can do it. Now this is my table setting. Look at, I want to start right here. Look at this beautiful centerpiece. It is a pumpkin stacker, and I'm loving it how that turned out. That Mackenzie Child ribbon on there, that is beautiful. And I do have some bling on the pumpkins. I'm loving how that turned out. It's at the right height, so when you have your dinner, everyone can still see each other and conversate. Now here is my table setting. I have this here. I'm using green, and then I have those placed there, and I have my napkin, and also to bring out the greenery, I put that. I'm not going to give too much details because I just want to show you my tablescape right here, and I have my glasses here. Right here, your water glass and your tea glass or whatever adult beverage that you want. So I have that there. Then I have a little pumpkin there to balance out the centerpiece. Now look at the other surroundings here. I have my pillows here and all that. And I decorated this here, and I'm loving that scarecrow. It is simply beautiful. I am loving how that turned out at that point right there. Then I have that right there. So, and look at this. I love this here. The napkins here gathered together. I'm loving that. Now my table sits 8, but I only put 4 plates out. That is me. Now, however, you can do all your 8s, but I just did 4 here. And I also decorated also in there with pumpkins and pillows and stuff like that. So let's go into the kitchen area. Now right here on the top of my fridge, I normally don't like to put things on my fridge. That is one of my pet peeves, but since it's when it comes to holidays, I put stuff up there. I'm loving that truck up there on top of my refrigerator. I love that. I like for my refrigerator to have no clutter on top of it. I like for my kitchen, any parts of my house, I just don't like clutter. So, and I like it to be a clean slate. So as you notice on top, I have that up there. But I'm loving it. This is for the pumpkin, for harvest and Thanksgiving time. So thank you, Tamara. Hi, Pat. How are you? Hi, Sherry. Hi, all of you guys. So I'm loving that right there. I purchased that truck from Hobby Lobby. So when you walk into the kitchen, this is what you see first, okay? So as we go along, right here in my bay window area, I have this pumpkin here that says Happy Thanksgiving. And then I put some black and white pumpkins there because we have black and white in there as well. So I got this pumpkin here from Home Goods. I love it. I did not put a bow on it. I just love it just the way it is. I just wrapped some garland around there and some ivory garland around there. I'm loving it. And I brought that black and white buffalo print. Check it out. I'm loving it. That looks fantabulous. So now here are my pantry doors. I remember I had made these from, I got the scarecrow broom from Dollar Tree. So this is the outcome of it, guys. I'm loving it. What I did, I did this on my YouTube. So if you want to go to my YouTube channel to see how this was done, you can go. It is Wreath by Veronica. So you can go there and subscribe to my channel and also see that video, how I created that. So I'm loving how that turned out. What I did that, and then I got a grapevine. This is from Dollar Tree as well. Sorry, I'm holding the phone in my hand. And what I did, I attached it to that, where it won't just be looking as if it's nothing there, just the broom and the scarecrow. So I just added a little more to that. Hello, Miss Kada. So I just finished doing a Q&A in my master class for those that, for them in the master class to see. So I'm cut the light on in here. Now this is my breakfast area here. So what I did, I left this here, but all I did was just added a few pumpkins in there just to spice that up a little bit there. So I'm loving how that turned out. Now we are at my baker's rack here. So that piece down there where that frame there, I designed that on a YouTube as well. So if you want to go there and see it, let me pull it out. So it looks great. I'm loving that. I got this in my hand, so it turned out great. And it goes with all the others, and it brings out fall as well. See if I can put it back. Okay, great. Now this is my baker's rack. I'm loving this. As you can see, with me having stainless, I do clear, black, and then I pop a little red in. Because as you can see, I have a red shoe up there with a wine up there. So I have all that done there. That'll pop out some red. So, and I'm loving that sign. This was my my main focal point here was this sign. I seen this sign and I went with that theme there. And I'm loving that this kitchen is for dancing. So I knew I had to bring out black and white and some grayish. So that'll pop it out as well. So then I seen this block as well. I'm loving that because all the things they have on that. Beautiful sayings on there. And you could just switch it around. You know, those of you know me, I love God. That is it. PointBig.com. I love him. So, and I have that, and there's just some gray balls in there. Then I said, I seen this clock. I got this clock from Kirkland's. I love it. It actually works, guys. But I did not want to put a battery in it. I just want it to be just like this. So, and then I got this. Friends and families are welcome. And then I also bought this from Kirkland's. It was on sale. I think I got it less for $10, so I got two. What it was 3 canister. One was missing, so they only could sell it as is. And I think I got these, maybe both of those canisters for less than $10. So I'm loving that. And as you can see, I put some gray and ivory pumpkins in there to balance that out. I'm loving that, and I'm gonna keep those pumpkins in year round. I'm not gonna change that out. So here's the larger one that I have. So as you can see, I got them, everything is in threes. So I got that, and then I have this gray here, and all I did here was just popped in a large plastic flower in there, hydrangea flower, and you know I had to pop some green in, so that green brings everything out. So this is it. So as you can see, I'm gonna back up and let you get a good view of the baker's rat. I'm loving that. I redid that. I didn't do a live on it. I just went and just started doing it. Then after I did it, I said I didn't do a before and after picture. So I'm gonna have to start doing that when I do these videos. But I wanted to come on and show you that, give you some fall ideas and things like that. Now right here, what I did in this area here, I just added the pillows on there with that. I just did that, and then I brought in these. I love these canisters here, and then I just put those beige things in there, and here is my lantern swag for fall. So I'm so loving that. And I also got a gather picture there, and you notice I picked out the blues in there. I'm loving that blue there. It has hello on it, but I had that already. All I did was put that gather there and just left everything pretty much the same. I didn't change too much here, and I have my truck here for right over there by the fireplace that I had made, my fall truck. And then I got the tall candles, so I added some greenery in that. That is super cute. So I also did the same thing here, and I added that, and I add these little pumpkins as well on the side. So that is it. So that's what I did that right there. So I'm loving it. Those are the two main focal points. I didn't do no restroom. I might start doing that later on, but right now I just want to do the main focal point when people walk in to see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got some ideas for fall. And if you are interested in learning more creativity, not just with wreath making, but decor ideas on how to get things put together, I have a master group. You can go there to join. It's wreathsbyveronica.com/masterclass. Guys, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. So come on over. And then in my masterclass group, you are really getting a 2-for-1 deal, because some memberships, what they have is, if you won't know about business, they have a business class, a business membership, and then they have the wreath making membership. I'm giving you all of that in one membership. You'll be able to ask me questions about business, also about wreath making. How good is that? You can get all of that package in one. So if you want to join, wreathsbyveronica.com/masterclass, and it'll take you right there to the link where you can register to join. Now, however, I do have Instagram, so go on over there on my Instagram page and follow me. Follow my IG stories, because I do some beautiful IG stories, gosh. So I want to thank you guys for coming in, and go on to YouTube, because on YouTube, I have some supplies there that you can have All you have to do is go to my YouTube channel, Wreath by Veronica, and subscribe, and in the comment section put hashtag wreath making. That's the pound sign and with wreath making on it. So I'm loving it. Truly, truly is. I just want to show these pillows up close because I did not. I'm loving that. And it's beautiful. They feel so, so nice. Guys, these are some beautiful pillows. I got these from Michael's. So, and they're universal. You can switch them around and do, change them out if you want to, put them in another area of your home. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the little mini tour of my fall decor ideas. So if you want to, hope this helped you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you're new here, thank you for coming on. Please click that like and follow button. And if you are my true people, always here for me, my top fans, Catherine, hello. Thank you guys for joining me. I pray that you have a wonderful day and a gorgeous weekend. So thank you guys. And remember, like I always say, put God first and everything else will fall in line. I love each and every one of you. Thank you. Bye-bye.